Everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix the Snapchat camera problem. Basically, your Snapchat camera problem is that when you launch Snapchat, it's going to give you an error, or basically the Snapchat or a black screen, or that the Snapchat camera isn't working. In my case, it's actually working, but I'm going to give you a couple different options that could help you fix it. First option is basically to make sure that you don't have the camera app working in the background. Because if you do, it is not going to work, because any phone is going to give the permission to access the camera to only once at a time. You cannot have different applications access the camera at one time. So you need to make sure that the camera application is closed. Now once you have it closed and you open Snapchat and the process proceeds, now there are another fix you can do. Actually, not only the camera, anything that can use the camera, like something like TikTok, Instagram, or something, make sure they're all closed. If it's not working, what you can do is actually going to click on Snapchat and go to the app properties, okay? And from the app properties, you're going to click on the permissions, and you're going to make the camera permission don't allow, okay? And then you're going to close Snapchat permanently, okay? Then you're going to launch Snapchat again, and it's going to give you this message. You're going to click on turn on, and you're going to allow Snapchat to take pictures and record video. You're going to click while using this app, and as you can see, the camera starts working again. So this is a couple fixes that you can do for you to fix the Snapchat camera problem. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.